Welcome to Début the Edit, where now meets what's next. Each week, we spotlight the hottest fashion trends, the boldest style moves, and the must-know tips that keep you ahead of the curve. This fall, fashion isn't about reinvention, it's about refinement. It's about taking what you already love and updating it with this season's mood. Let's edit the runway into real life. Prep is back, but it's not just a throwback. The building blocks of prep are still there. The classic blazer and a polo shirt, plush cable knit worn with loafers. But for fall 2025, prep gets a remix. It's more flexible, expressive, and infused with a bit of street sensibility. Polished without pretense and perfectly at ease. Boho is back, but not as you remember it. This season, build your statement around flowing silhouettes and layered richness. Think breezy blouses, textured knits, and jackets cascading over maxi skirts. This isn't festival boho, it's refined and lived in. The new neutral for fall 2025, brown. From rich espresso, velvety mocha, to soft caramel and toffee, this color story feels modern, warm, and unexpectedly refined. Designers are treating brown as the anchor of the season, pairing it head to toe for a sleek monochromatic look or mixing it with hues unexpected as an accent. Saddle up, Equestrian Chic is riding into fall 2025 with a new elegance. This is country chic reimagined for the city. Barn coats, silk scarves, fair owl knits, tailored riding trousers, and knee-high riding boots woven into modern wardrobes. This fall, less is out. Texture and adornment take the spotlight. Sequins, fringe, faux fur, and beaded details are everywhere, not just for night, but woven into daywear too. Embellishment becomes punctuation. One bold piece can define the entire look. The key is balance. Let the statement shine without overpowering. That's a wrap on what's hot right now. But the style story doesn't stop here, because style isn't just about what you wear. It's about how you build it. I'm Laina Whitney Faber, and this is Début, the edit that sets the standard.